Hello and welcome to the Free Life Network Free to Live $5,000 campaign. My name is Kaschmiere. I'm going to be running you through this really quickly, helping you to understand how you're about to start receiving passive residual income every month. Is going to be going toward your bills, toward your expenses every month. We're launching, guys, on September the 1st, 2021, but our team members are already putting people in the back office over there at Facebook. They're getting them educated, showing them what it is that we're doing. There are people that are going to be getting paid September the 1st. People got paydays coming up September the 1st, and you can be one of them. Now, first of all, I want to hit you with a disclaimer. We do not recruit here. We do not recruit. We help people. We share this opportunity with people to help them. We're not trying to recruit anybody. We're helping people to become financially free and to live a better life. Now let me dive right in and show you guys how we're going to do this so that you can get started with us today. You can join our Facebook group with whoever showed you this, or with me if I introduced it to you. Now the first thing we're going to be doing September the 1st is this. We're going to be having money coming in to eliminate our rent and mortgage payment. That's the first thing that we're going to do. Starting September the 1st, 2021, our mission is to use this campaign to start paying your monthly rent and mortgage payment. Imagine that now, guys. You got money coming in that's covering your rent and mortgage payment. Then October the 1st, the following month, the campaign is going to continue on. We're going to be on a mission at that point to eliminate your car loan and insurance payment. Amazing, right? That means we're going to be knocked out your rent and mortgage, and then we're going to attack your car loan and insurance payment. Imagine not having these bills meeting you every month. Then the following month, November, right? November 2021. Our mission at that point is going to be to eliminate your utility bills. That means now we've knocked out the rent and mortgage. We've handled the car loan insurance. Now we're coming after the utilities and services bill. We're going to knock that out. This is passive income, guys. Once you set this up, you're going to be getting paid every month. Imagine that. Then we're going to go into December. We're going to come after those life essential costs. We're going to eliminate that from your bills. That means that you're going to have money now to go to Walmart, Target, Kroger, wherever you shop at, to take care of your food and your personables. So we're going to be attacking that in December. Then we're going to start the year off with a bang, guys. January 2022. Our mission at that point is to have money coming in to you to cover your lifestyle. That means you can start taking trips. You can start, doing the things you want to do. Get a golf club membership, health club membership, whatever it is that you want to do. Starting in 2021, you're going to be able to do it, because guess what? From this point on, we're going to eliminate your bills. And in January, we're going to give you money to kick it with. That's basically what it is. Now, this thing that we're doing, guys, with this passive income has never been done before. Working with us in this particular network, you're going to be monthly bill free by January 2022. But along that way, as we go along that way, in September, you're going to start getting paid. You're going to start seeing money coming in September the 1st. Now, what are we doing? We're dealing with crowdfunding. Everybody's familiar with crowdfunding. Everybody knows about the crowdfunding, GoFundMe pages, different things of that nature. We've taken it and created a network and a way to do it, whereas it's targeted toward our rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utilities and services, life essential costs, as well as our lifestyle. We've created a residual crowdfunding program that is so powerful that by simply tapping into its origin can start and change your life immediately. Imagine living your life without worrying about monthly bills that's lurking around every first of the month corner. Yeah, that would be great, right? Imagine having passive residual income piling into your bank account each and every month. Well, that is what we're going to be doing. Now, how is all of this possible? How did this come to be? This guy right here, everybody familiar with President Barack Obama. What happened was this, and this is what he did for crowdfunding. In May 2012, President Barack Obama signed the Bipartisan Jobs Act. Let me explain to you what the Jobs Act is, JOBS. That acronym stands for Jumpstart Our Business Startups. This was created to provide an ease of access to money for small business startups and individuals like us. The bill also helps entrepreneurs find investors via online and offline crowdfunding. This would allow all Americans to invest in new companies and people that they believe in, right? So we can invest in each other. For more mature companies like Walmart, Target, Coca-Cola, General Motors, the bill would reduce the red tape involved in publicly selling stock. For individuals such as ourselves, it allows us to help each other to grow and to prosper. And during COVID-19, we need to bond closer together and help each other to make it through this pandemic. Now, this is what it is. And President Obama did a great job with this. When President Obama signed the Bipartisan Jobs Act, he said this about the law's crowdfunding provision, and I quote, "This bill is a potential game changer. Right now, you can only turn to a limited group of investors, including banks and wealthy individuals, to get funding. Because of this bill, startups and small businesses will now have access to a big new pool of potential investors, namely the American people. For the first time, ordinary Americans will be able to go online and invest in entrepreneurs that they believe in. That means that we can invest in each other now and help each other out with our bills. This thing is amazing. Now, for those that don't know, I'm going to touch down briefly on exactly what crowdfunding is to give you a better idea. So check it out. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project and or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people. This is typically done via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered a great source for alternative financing. The future growth of the crowdfunded market is estimated to reach $300 billion. $300 billion by 2030. Man, what if we could just tap into maybe 2% of that? We'd be straight, right? Of course. So, a much more simple definition would be this about crowdfunding. It is simply people helping people. That is what we're here to do. Now, how does our campaigns work? How do you start building this passive income? I'm going to break that down to you right now. We have 5 campaigns that we deal with. One is the rents and mortgage. The other is the car loan insurance. The other is utilities and services, life essential costs, and of course, our lifestyle funding. What is a free-to-live campaign? A free-to-live campaign is our donation structure, which consists of one campaign builder, that's you, and an unlimited number of affiliates. Those are conduits. The goal is for a recipient to build and fill as many campaigns as possible. As you fill these campaigns with great people just like you that would love passive income, your life change. Each free-to-live campaign has an unlimited donation potential, which means that you could receive donations far beyond that need for that particular campaign. Let's say, for instance, your rent or your mortgage is $1,000, and you've already reached that, and now you're moving on with more people coming in. That's profit. You get to keep that. Your campaign donations can be collected in the form of cash or Bitcoin. All free-to-live campaigns create passive residual income. This means you will receive payments for that campaign, right, on a monthly schedule, which will target payments for your rent, mortgage, car loan insurance, utilities and services, life essential costs, as well as your lifestyle expenses. As you start to build your free-to-live campaign, you will see your bills decrease, reduce to zero. From that point, you will only see campaign profits coming into your account each and every month. That is great passive residual income, right? And check this out about residual. When you talk about residual, a lot of people say, well, man, I don't want to get tied into paying anything. You don't have to worry about it because we designed our program where no one ever pays a residual payment out of their pocket. We've designed our campaigns whereas no member pays a residual payment. Our simple yet powerful structure is designed to have each member's first free-to-live campaign affiliate that signs up, right, and comes into that particular campaign. They will cover the cost of that campaign for you. Why? Now, you don't have to worry about them covering it because somebody is covering theirs. So that means that as money is given to them, they will cover their campaign by paying you, and the rest is profit. Isn't that amazing? That means no one now pays a residual to be here. You're here 100% free. Right? 100% free. This strategy continues throughout the building of each member's free-to-live campaign. Now, this is your responsibility as a campaign builder. When you get building your campaign, this is all you're going to do. It's your responsibility to build each of your campaigns by adding great people just like yourself to that campaign structure. These people can be friends, family members, or even total strangers, because let's be real about it. Everyone would love to see passive residual income coming in, plus people would love to be 100% bill free. So this is a no-brainer, guys. That's why I say we don't recruit. We help people and we share the great opportunity. Each campaign will bring you closer to financial freedom. Now, this is what you're going to receive when you join us. Each member receives a crowdfunding digital portfolio. Each member of the FLN campaign network will receive their own digital crowdfunding portfolio. Each portfolio will contain an initial crowdfunding components, and we've already discussed those: rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utilities, life essential costs, and lifestyle. That's amazing, right? Your portfolio, as you grow, as you continue to put people on the rents and mortgage to get their rent and mortgage paid, car loan, insurance, utilities, life essential, and lifestyle, you're going to see money coming in passively every month. Right? And this is something else that we did, our DRP, our donation reimbursement program. So everybody starts off with a $100 donation to their sponsor, right? Because that's what we're doing. But what happens is when you bring your first member in, you're going to receive your donation back. So now you're here 100% free. Plus, you're going to be receiving residual passive payments coming to you every month. This means simply, man, you here for free earning passively every month. Now, who can beat that? Now, let's take a look at the campaigns and how they work. Let's just say, for instance, we're going to go with 10. Everybody know 10 people that don't want to pay bills. If you don't, just go to your Facebook page, go to your groups, right? I'm guaranteeing you there's 10 people that don't want to pay bills, so you don't even have to worry about it. Like me, I just went into my cell phone because I have no friends or family members that want to pay bills. Bam, I tell them, come over here, join this campaign. Let's knock out your rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility services. Bam, they dead on it, right? So let's just look at this with 10 people. If you bring in 10, now you're going to notice down here where on this page you see where it says affiliate same 10. So we're going to start with 10 and keep those same 10 people. Don't even worry about nobody else and watch the power of 10 people. So at $100 time, those 10 people, that is $1,000 per month that you're going to set up in September. $1,000, man. Just with you sharing this with 10 people, dropping them in the Facebook group. That is passive income. Then October, when you go into the car loan and insurance with those same 10 people, because they're going to be ready to upgrade and start knocking out the car loan, that's another $1,000 that you just set up. Man, now we're going to go into November. Look at November. When you do the same exact thing with the same 10 people, knocking out their utility bills as you knock out yours, bam, another $1,000 going toward your utility bills every month. Wow. So now come December, the end of the year, we've already got money coming in. Christmas looking real good. You're going to have those same 10 people upgrading, going to the next campaign, which is Life Essential. Another $1,000 coming in. Then finally, January. Man, we're going to blow January up because now you're about to have $1,000 coming in from them same 10 people paying $100 each. That's going to now, what are they going to do? Put money into your lifestyle expenses. You're going to start planning your trips. You're going to start going places, doing things, having fun with your family. You've just created a $5,000 passive residual income with a $100 bill that went back into your pocket. That means you did it for free. For free. The first day you join, you're getting your $100 back. Amazing. Now, let me show you something that's even hotter. We have our own website, guys. We have our own portfolio. Look at that. Log in. That's me logging into mine. And if I go to my pages, I can show you my rents and mortgage page. Let me let you check that out. Let me go to my housing page, guys. Look at my housing page. It tells you, just like I said previously, share with 10 people. That's $1,000 in. You have your own website. You have your membership tracking. You have everything. Let's go to another page before we get out of here so you can see how it works. We even have a Christmas page, guys. I didn't even talk about that. But check it out. Let's go to the vehicle page. Bam. Look at there. Man, look at there. You got 10 people coming in, man, on your vehicle page. Man, you're making money just paying your vehicle. Let's go to another page. Let's look at utilities. Wow. Bam, look at that. You got money coming into your utilities, knocking your utilities out. Knocking them out. You ain't even paying bills anymore. That's amazing. This is something that everybody and anybody can do, guys. We have a dashboard which walks you through the setup process. Just complete these steps and you're set up and you're ready to go. As you can see, I'm already up to $12,000 in residual payments coming in, guys, because I've been working this thing for a while. And now we're introducing our new platform to you, which is our campaign. So this is amazing. So, hey, I'm telling you right now, don't let no one stop you from getting in here, changing your life with Free Life. We're this Free to Live. I'm telling you, man, this Free to Live campaign is something that I never imagined that we were going to come with. But my team members say, hey, we need a campaign going where we can make sure we go into 2022 a lot better than we came out of 2020 because everybody was struggling and going through some financial situations due to COVID-19 pandemic. So now we have a way for you to put money in your pocket. Right? We have a way for you to help other people. Very important that you understand. And let me go back to that. We do not recruit. I want you to get that word out of your head. Recruiting is gone. We don't recruit. We share the opportunity with great people just like ourselves and help them to be financially free, receiving passive income. Now, I'm going to say this before I jump off. I gave you the numbers 10. What if you share this with 20 people, 30 people? 40 people, 50, how many people do you know that would love to be free of bills? All right, get ready. Get in the Facebook group, join our pre-launch right now, start dropping your members in. September the 1st, we're going live. All you need is $110. $10 cover your website that I just showed you over at Free Life. And the $100 is a donation to your sponsor. Get over here with us and give us a chance to change your life. Welcome to the Free Life Network Free to Live campaign. This is Kaschmiere Rich. You have a great day. Take care.